Hi, thank you so much for watching part 2 of my travel vlog. If you missed part 1, which was Portugal, I will link it below in the description box for you. Now from Lisbon, we flew to Palma de Mallorca and then rented a car for our trip. So enjoy this vlog. So we finally made it to Mallorca. It was a little bit of a hassle to figure out how to drive in because a lot of the streets are really narrow and they all go in like one direction. So if you miss one way, then it basically takes you 15 to 20 minutes to come back. It took us a minute, but we figured it out. Anyway, my husband's trying to figure out the coffee machine, so that's the background noise you're hearing. We're actually pretty hungry, so we're gonna try to go upstairs on the rooftop. It's on the 3rd floor, we're on the 1st floor. Try to eat something and then just take it easy today. Probably just walk around after. And then that's pretty much it. So I'm probably just going to change. I'm gonna put on my sandals and then go from there. Also, another update, I am planning on removing the braids. They're driving me crazy. They get really tangled, and to be honest, it's my fault. Instead of getting fully natural, I went with a blend and it's terrible. So I'm gonna try to figure that out maybe today so I don't have to deal with it for the rest of our trip. But anyway, food time. Let's do it now. So on day 3, we got up very early and drove to 2 beaches. First one was Gaiadea, seriously one of my favorite beaches in Mallorca. And then we went to Port Soler. And then in the evening, we went to a restaurant that was recommended by the hotel staff. And then we also had a really good time. We made it to the parking lot for Dea. We thought we could go all the way down with the car, but it's only for residents. So we went back up, paid for parking, and then we'll just walk the way down just like everyone else. Took us a minute to figure out parking, but we're all good, so we're just walking. on our last day in Palma de Mallorca, we drove again to 2 beaches and we really enjoyed the first one. It was just so beautiful. Now, on average, we did 2 beaches a day. And then later in the afternoon, we did more sightseeing and then got ready for a flight to Barcelona. We arrived in Barcelona, checked in, and then got ready for a reservation at Canete. If you plan on going to Barcelona, I heavily recommend you check out Canete. Service was great and food was amazing. And then after that, we walked around in the Gothic Quarter.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver.
So our second day in Barcelona was eventful, okay? So we spent the majority of the day walking. We wanted to explore the Gothic Quarter because that's where our hotel was. But then eventually we made our way to Loewe. Now, I was so excited. We waited maybe 5 minutes inside and outside because the line wasn't long at all. And then eventually, once we were inside, we just walked around in the store and then just waited for our essay to be ready. And she was so nice. Because the other one would be this side. I think I can fit my phone in there.
Yeah, for sure.
It's really cute. Yeah.
If you come back maybe September, So my name is.
Now, I knew I wanted a mini puzzle bag, so I just wanted to see what they carried in store. And then when I saw the two-tone puzzle bag, like, it's just instant. I fell in love and I knew it was the right one for me.
And children is the box, the bag. Box.
Okay, awesome. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Thank you. Thank you. Bye. So we also went to Bottega Veneta because I was interested in the Wallace bag. But when I saw the Bang Bang vanity case in burgundy, oh my god, I fell in love. When I tell you this bag is just so beautiful, the color is just exquisite. Now the issue with this bag is that it was on hold for another customer until like midday. So I provided my information to the SA and just like prayed that the bag would be available for me at the end of the day. And then while my husband and I were on a walking tour, I got a text from the SA and the bag was available for me to purchase if I wanted to. So after the tour, we ended up walking back to Bottega Veneta and then we made the purchase. Oh my god, I was so happy. Oh, shit. Sorry.
Do you want champagne, water, Coca-Cola?
Do you want champagne or?
Oh yeah, I'll get champagne, please. Yeah, I've been walking.
Sure, yes, I'll have it.
Thank you.
Do you also have water?
What, two?
Yes, thank you. Hello. It's too big. Okay. Thank you. Shay, tu peux mettre le tien là-dedans, s'il te plaît? I want to see how, if it can fit. If it can fit yours, it can fit mine.
Definitely.
Oh,
Yeah,
perfect.
It's a big thing.
Okay. It's pretty cool. And then you can flip it. On our last day, we explored the city and visited Casa Mia, and then we had dinner at Tapio Bar. Now, another great restaurant you need to add to your list. And then after that, we went to Paradiso, which is a speakeasy cocktail bar. The drinks were great, okay? Now, I wasn't able to film this part, but we were offered the opportunity to check out their other speakeasy. So basically a speakeasy within a speakeasy. And again, we had lots of fun. And then in the morning, we left for Marrakesh. How sweet. So we told the hotel that we're celebrating our anniversary, which we are. It was the first day that we came in because we have 2 dates because of COVID. But anyway, so they give us this and a little dessert plus a champagne bottle, which is super sweet. Okay, cheers. Yummy. Oh, it's soft.
Yeah.
Wow. It's like chocolate.
Is it cake or it? It looks like cheese. Yeah.
It's a mousse.
Now open the quick.
Wow.
Awesome.
Welcome to Race guys.
Thank you.
Hey, my friends, where are you from?
We're from Canada.
Oh, Canada. Oh, Canada.
Welcome to Race friends. We have here in Canada.
Awesome. Thank you.
Que los italianos y los españoles son más parecidos a los alemanes, como que son más amigables, o sea, son más
Campari che?
Oddio, Campari shakeato.
Ah, shakeado.
Sì, shakeato.
Ah, ok, sì.
How do you find it? ¿Qué tal los cócteles?
Me encanta. Sí.
¿Sí?
Cheers.
Perfecto. Salud.
Salud.
Cheers.
Cheers. Salud.
Cheers.
Salud.
Salud.